Yun lang, yes! Bakit nawala yung energy kanina, folks? Ang daming energy kanina, bakit nawala? One more time. Are you ready to meet our animal ambassadors? No, guys, please maintain that energy. Now, let's meet our first animal ambassador. We're giving you his welcoming flight. May we call on Lakas, our white-bellied sea eagle. At ayun na siya po. Wala pa ka. Si Lakas po. So once again, that is Lakas, our white-bellied sea eagle, with the scientific name of Halianthus leucogaster. Leuco meaning white and gaster meaning belly, therefore the white-bellied sea eagle. The white-bellied sea eagle are commonly found in near coastal areas of India, Australia, and also here in the Philippines. The white-bellied eagle are the second largest eagle here in the Philippines, with the wingspan that can reach up to 2.2 meters or 7.2 feet. So ganyan po kalapad ang kanilang mga pakpak kapag nasa adult size na si Lakas po. So guys, Lakas here is a raptor. Raptor came from the Latin word rapere, meaning to seize or to drag away. As you notice po, Kuya Michael is wearing a protective glove because most raptors have sharp and powerful talons. Now raptors guys practice food parasitism. Food parasitism is stealing of food from the other animals. So, nangunguha po sila ng pagkain from the other animals po. Palakpakan po natin si Lakas. Now guys, here in the Philippines, our largest eagle are the Philippine eagle. Second po si Lakas. The reason why they call them monkey eagles because they can easily crush a skull of a monkey by using their talons po. Ganyan po, ka-powerful ang ating mga agila, lalo-lalo na ang ating Philippine eagle. Now guys, here in the Philippines, we have 51 species of raptors. But here in Davao Crocodile Park, so we have 4 species of raptors, namely the Brahminicae, the white-bellied eagle, the Philippine serpent eagle, and the eastern grass owl. The folks, palakpakan po natin sila. Thank you sa Lakas and Kuya Mike. Thank you so much to the both of you. Now, let's move on to our second animal ambassadors. Ito po, galing pa ito ng South Cotabato. And they call them the alarm clocks of the rainforest. That palaw, the Philippine Great Hornbill, na sina Mr. Bill at syempre, si JJ. And there you go. Once again, that is Mr. Bill and JJ, our Philippine Great Hornbill, with the scientific name of Buceros mindanensis. Minda meaning Mindanao and ensis meaning belonging to, therefore, belonging to Mindanao. As you can see guys, their bills o kanilang mga tuka, it comprises 30% of its body and they have long and beautiful eyelashes po. Kung makikita nyo sila sa malapitan, no girls, legit na legit yan, hindi sila nagpa-extension. And this morning, magpapakitang ila sila gamit ang kanilang mga tuka. But before that, I have a job for you to follow muna. Okay, now guys, at the count of 3, I need you to shout, fly. Okay, so what's the word?
Fly.
So let's practice first. 1, 2, 3, and fly. More power, more energy. 1, 2, 3, and fly. Ayun, mga ready na batik bisita mga kuya na Kuya Cyril, Kuya Dexter. Ready na batik mga kalaw na folks. Prepare your cameras. Mabilis lang to. At the count of 3, 1, 2, 3, and was a perfect catch, Mr. Bill and JJ. Now guys, if you see a hornbill doing that in the wild, you are so very lucky because they are actually in mating ritual. So naliligaw po yung lalaking kalaw na gumagawa niyan. Mas madaming insekto ang na-catch. Yung lalaking kalaw ay mas mataas ang chance na sasagutin siya ni ate girl na kalaw. And did you know that they call them monogamous? Monogamous meaning, once they found a partner in the wild, they will stay with them forever. Sana all talaga na buti pa sa mga mahal may forever. Na sa mga single ladies natin out there, kung naghahanap kayo ng forever, alam na natin, nandito lang ang... Hindi ko rin ang ano? Ang mga trainers. Joke lang mo. Okay, magpapakita ang gilas po si Lolet. Now again, prepare your cameras. Mabilis lang to. At the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. And... Why, what a perfect catch. Mr. Bill and JJ, our baby great hornbill, or also known as Tatalaw, the alarm clocks of the rainforest because they make noise every morning, noon, and afternoon. Palakpakan po natin ang ating mga si Kuya Dexter at si Kuya Cyril. Thank you so much sa inyo. Now guys, fun fact about hornbills, unlike most birds who walk from place to place, hornbills actually hop from place to place or tumatawan sila as their secondary means of locomotion. Look for our next animal ambassador. Ito po, makulay po ito. At galing pa itong Brazil, particularly the Amazon forest. Now may we call on
Barak.
Anong klaseng ibon yan si Barak guys? Asan si Barak? At ayaw po wala sa agenda. Palakpakan po natin si Barak. Di ba napakamakulay? Once again, that is Barak, our blue and gold macaw with Kuya Richie. Na Kuya Richie. Ayan. Now guys, once again, that is Barak, our blue and gold macaw with the scientific name of Ararauna, meaning genius. So why do we call them geniuses? Because they have the mental capacity of a 4-year-old child. So kasi kanino lang po ni Barak, ang 4 na taong gulang na bata. Gusto niyo ng sample?
Yes!
Gusto niyo ng sample?
Yes!
Richie, gusto nila ng sample kaya rin sila Barak? Ito nga, sampulan mo nga sila ng high five na kaya rin sila. Happy, high five? Kaya rin si isang beses pa, high five. Ayan, and hindi lang yan folks. Si Barak dito ay napakalambing din. Napaka-sweet po ito ni Barak guys. Tignan nyo to, no? Ito naman, Kuya Richie, ako naman yung gusto may sample sa inyo, Lobe. No, Barak? Bigyan mo ka ng kiss si Kuya Richie sa pisngi, Lobe. Kiss sa pisngi. Mwah! Nakita ko sa mukha ni Kuya Richie, guys, bitin mo yung isang halik. Gusto niyo pa? Isa pa ba? Isa pa?
Yeah!
Isa pa na Kuya Richie. No. Ay, ito talaga gusto ni Kuya Richie. No, Kuya Richie, ayan, Barak. I-kiss mo daw si Kuya Richie, pero hindi na sa pisngi. Saan niyo gusto i-kiss Kuya Richie, guys? Hindi ko marinig saan? Sa lips daw. Kuya Richie. No, Barak, sa lips ni Kuya Richie namin. One more time, sa lips namin. Sa lips daw. Mwah! And hindi lang yan, boss. Little Barak, blue and gold macaws don't build their nests. Instead, naghahanap po sila ng hollow tree or puno na may malaking butas kagaya po niyan. And they will collect twigs or small branches para ilagay po sa hollow tree. At syempre, yan po yung sisilbing nest na sa loob. Na Kuya Richie, ano yung dala-dala natin? Meron tayong 2 kahoy. Na Kuya Richie, Barak, are you ready? At mukhang ready na. At the count of 3, lapak ang kahoy. 1, 2, 3, and go! Again po, ipapakita ni Barak kung paano sila gumagawa ng nest sa wild guys. Ang Kuya Barak is slowly but surely daan na kaya natin. And there you go. As you can see guys, Barak is using his prehensile beak to grab that twig without using its feet. At syempre, sa akin lalaki yung kakay Barak sa hollow tree. Ayan, may isa tumoy. One more time para matapos na tayo yan, guys. Barak here is also a parrot, meaning meron siyang zygodactyl feet. Two in the front, two in the back, allowing them to grab items. As you can see naman, ginagamit ni Barak ang kanyang paa para umakyat po sa kahoy. At ayan na nga po ang Barak. One more time, isang beses na lang. Sa hari ilalagay yung twig and there you go. Palakpakan po natin si Barak. So guys, ganyan po sila gumagawa na nest. So now guys, before we say goodbye to Barak, sana po yung pangalagaan po natin ating kalikasan folks. No, once again, that is Barak with Kuya Richie. Palakpakan po natin sila. Again, thank you so much. to the both of you. Now guys, here in Davao Crocodile Park Zoo, si Barak po ang ika-apat na pinakamalaking pangalan sa buong mundo. First is the blue hyacinth macaw. Now for our next animal ambassador, kung makulay po si Barak, ito po, puting-puti po, just like a cloud. Now may we call on Beauty.
Si Beauty. Tara si Beauty.
Yes, ito po lang po ako. Ano po natin si Beauty, folks. Once again, that is Beauty, our Sulphur Crescent Cockatoo with the scientific name of Kakatua galereta. They can be found in Australia, New Guinea, and Indonesia.
Alam,
Now,
istorya
folks,
siya.
Sulphur Crescent Cockatoo will
Dili.
lift their crest as an indication if they're happy or mad. And they will also spread their wings along for the crest as a form of paniligaw para sa mga babaeng kakatu. And it also have discouraging other male to court female Sulphur Crescent Cockatoo. At syempre, ipapakita ni Beauty sa atin ngayong umaga.
Naglawa
Kuya
na,
Paul
naglawa
Beauty,
na.
anong ginagawa ng mga lalaking pag nililigaw sila sa'yo? Ang ginagawa pag nililigaw? Kaya na! One more time, girl, mukhang nabingin sila isang beses pa. Spread your wings. Paano maligaw? And... Ayan na ka. Bueno lang, di ba? And guys, as part of youth enrichment, kakatoos will loop around in branches to exercise or to play around just to ease their burden of your boy. Anong ginagawa ni Beauty pag nababagot na siya? Ayun na pa, maingot-ingot lang. So that is their natural behavior. They are doing it individual. Kung nababagot sila or naboboard na sila, ayun, tama na, baka mahilo ko yan. And lastly, just like any other kakatoos, Beauty here also has a zygodactyl bit na ginagamit dyan para mag-grab ng mga objects. At syempre, ipapakita niya ni Beauty sa atin na Beauty girl. Show me your zygodactyl feet and guys, and here you go. Once again, that is zygodactyl feet in action po. Turn the front, to the back, allowing them to grab. Kahit na syempre, yung paborito sunflower seeds ni Beauty. At ayan girl, thank you so much for showing off your natural behavior. Now guys, that's all for Beauty. Palakpakan po natin sila. Ayan, thank you so much Kuya Boy and Beauty. Thank you so much to the both of you. Now guys, here in Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo, we have 4 species of kakatoos. First is the Sulphur Crescent Cockatoo. Second is the Umbrella Crescent Cockatoo. Third is the Black Palm Cockatoo. And fourth is the Bulukan Cockatoo. Now for our next animal ambassador, ito po, 3-in-1 po sila. But before that, I have some questions muna. Okay, so first question. What kind of animal is believed to have 9 lives?
Cat.
Cats. Pusa. Kung sa Bisaya pa.
Ring.
Ring. Ayan ang second question. Makinig ang mabuti. Listen carefully, okay? Now, second question. If Mickey is mouse, Donald is duck, what kind of animal is Winnie?
Bear. Uy, hindi na po.
Anong klaseng type si Winnie?
Dapo.
Sino sabi ng dapo? Tulungan mo na kayo, guys. Again, anong klaseng type si Winnie?
Bear. Honey bear.
Sumigaw pa talaga ng dapo. Wala pong dapo na kaya ba? Now for my last question lang. Ano naman klaseng hayop ang kamukha na katabi nyo ngayon?
Ang sama na.
Ano? Monkey? Kung sabi nun na. But you are correct, folks. For our next animal ambassador, we have the face of a cat.
Ala.
Our body like a very impressive thing.
Ala.
Like a monkey. Number the record sensing. To your left side. Ay, kuya, kasama mo ba ako dito? So that is Daddy, our Palawan. Here you go. Ay, asa si Mami? Ay, si kuya mo nasa gitna. Mamaya na po kuya. Ay, guys, palakpakan mo natin si Daddy po.
Sinitawag ko pa nila si Winnie Dapo. Hala!
That is Daddy, our Palawan American with the scientific name of Arctictis binturong or
Torong.
known as the binturong, folks. Now guys, did you know that their tail can act as a fifth limb? Meaning it is prehensile in nature. The definition of prehensile is being able to grab. So we can grab sa mga objects na kasingaling lang ng ating mga kamay. Yes po, ganyan ang kanilang mga tail. Same sa mga monkey. At syempre, ipapakita yun ni sa atin ngayong umaga ng Daddy Boy.
Ryan.
They are doing that individual to grab some birds hanging from a birds. Walang papa po natin si Daddy folks. Now guys, may I direct your attention again to your right side naman. Now we call on Uno, the older brother of Teddy. Now guys, fun fact about Palawan Bearcats, they are endemic here in the Philippines. Ibig sabihin po na endemic, dito lang po sila sa Pilipinas nakikita, specifically sa Palawan. And the reason that there is bear in their names is because they can stand up using their two hind legs. At syempre, ipapakita niya ni Uno sa akin. No, up, and there you go. Once again, that is their two hind legs in action. Thank you so much, Uno. At syempre, si Ted din. No guys, fun fact about Palawan Bearcats, did you know that their poop and their feet smells like a fresh popcorn? Yes po, amoy popcorn yung pupo nila. And then, omnivore sila. Ibig sabihin, kumakain sila ng gulay, prutas at karne. At yung umaga na pinapakain mo, Kuya Michael, pakita natin yan. Ano yun, guys?
Saging.
Saging or banana, which is also omnivore sila. Kasi ito, meron na naman akong tanong. The first question, what kind of animal or anong tawag sa mga grupo ng mga hayop na kumakain lang ng herbs or grasses? Herbivore. How about meat or carne? Carnivore. But herbs, fruits, and carne? Omnivore. Perfect. Now for my last question. Ano namang klaseng hayop ang kumakain lang ng fruits or prutas? Fruit salad? Fruit salad, fruit salad. Sino makakanta sa kamay? Bibigyan ka ng jacket ni Kuya Michael. May jacket Kuya Michael bakante? Wala? Wala nakakaalam? You know the answer, Kuya? You don't know? Sige, tuturuan ko na lang kayo na guys. Makinig na mabuti, okay? The correct answer is one of our tourist destination here in Davao City. That's why pala po ako. Punan natin mga sarili. Thank you so much po sa pagbisita sa amin dito. Now, for our last and final animal ambassador. Inaantok dyan, mawawala talaga yung antok nito guys. Ito yung tinitilian at kinakikalihan ng maraming kababaihan. The fan favorite. Ating tatawagin ang napaka-pogi na si Daniel. Pakpakan po natin si Daniel folks. Imagine Daniel once again. Now may we call on Daniel. Ito na si Daniel. Si Piolo. Ito si John Lloyd din. Ito ba yung pamilya? Money? Ang laban na to.
Dahil si Daniel.
Wait lang po guys. Kuya.
Dama.
Okay, next step. Wait lang po. As I said earlier po that we are still working with wild animals now. And as much as we want to train them, we don't want to change their behavior. At sabi po naman natin
Masig na makuha na niya si Daniel.
Nakatakas daw. Nandito lang daw siya sa Grand Arena. Maybe check under your seats. Baka nandiyan po sa ilalim. So guys, tulungan niyo po kami na natin si Daniel.
Isa ka na si Daniel.
Mapagalitan po ng mga boss namin yan. Kuya, confirm ba? Kuya Boy, nandiyan ka Kuya Boy? There you go! Once again, that is Daniel, our very final, our gentle giant. Now guys, don't worry, don't be scared. Already na po si Daniel. So gulat ako sa'yo dyan. Now guys, once again, that is Daniel. Okay, and guys, huwag kayong matakot. Huwag kayong mahala. Okay, you can touch it, you can hold it. And guys, by the way, Kuya, di ba? Tatlo yan? Joke lang po. Okay. Again guys, by the way, later po pagkatapos ng show natin, huwag muna kayo uuwi. Don't go home yet kasi meron pa tayong animal petting. Ibig sabihin po nun, si Daniel at si yung mga birds kanina, lalabas na ulit para mapapicture sa ating lahat. Okay? So tayo po, may chance para mapapicture with our animal. Mamaya pagkatapos ng show natin. Okay? So kayo naman po, hindi naman yan ang si Daniel.
And guys, konting paalala
Snakes are
lang
just
po, ha?
animals.
Pwede niyo pumawakan si Daniel. Wag lang si Kuya Poy. Kuya Poy, pwede ba? Ayan. Again guys, pagkatapos ng show natin, magpa-picture tayo with our animal. Together with Daniel. Okay, ayan. Thank you so much, Kuya Boy, for finding Daniel. Ito na, upo muna tayo, may gagawin pa tayo. Ma'am daw na, nagitna, ikaw po yung nasa gitna, yung kumakain tayo. Guys, palakpakan po natin si Ma. Ano ma'am? Halika na po dito, mga picture taking lang po tayo. Ayan. Guys, palakpakan natin si Ma. May dito pa na sa gitna, mag-picture taking lang po tayo. Ayan. Huwag kang matakot po, huwag kang mahiya. Okay? Kilalanin lang po natin si Daniel. Okay? Ang Kuya Boy, ayan. Dito pa tayo sa gitna, ma'am. Ayan. Naku, Alexel, pakilang ako ng game natin dyan, ha? Ayan. Na, ma'am, harap po tayo sa kanila. Now, guys, ito na, before kita niya, guys, syempre, kilalanin mo natin sa mga ma'am. Introduce yourself. What is your name and where are you from? Ayan. Harap po sa guest natin and napag-iwaray natin. Ma'am, open your hands, the left and the right. Okay, dikit po sa may table natin.
Ano siya sex?
Ayan. Okay, no, ma'am? Lapagin kamay natin, ma'am. And there you go. Once again, that is Danielle, our Burmese spider, our gentle giant, with the scientific name of Python bivitatus. They are one of the largest species snakes in the world because they can 90 kilograms. So, si Danielle Cruz nasa mga 10 kilograms lang. No? Ma'am, interview tayo, ma'am. Ma'am, sinong kasama mo ngayon sa Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo? Who are you with? Family and partner, raise your hand. Let's come on. Ayun ang family. Picture lang po natin si ma'am. Pang Instagram, pang Facebook, ma'am. Harap ko po sa camera, pinipicture lang ko po na pang Instagram, pang Facebook. Now guys, nothing to worry. Pythons are non-venomous animal. Ibig sabihin po, hindi
Non-venomous.
nakamamatay yung mga nila. Pero kung stricto, ibig sabihin mo ma'am, sinasakal na yung pagkain bago nilalabo na buo. Kuhain mo yan.
Kita ko lang ako.
Hindi kumain yan, gutom pa yan sa ganyan. Ayan, ma'am, ayusan mo yung snake yun. Para makalapit ka sa mga.
Constrictor.
Hindi ka basta. Ayan, yung mga pila boy. Kaya po, ayan po. Okay na pala, picture na ba? Okay na ba? Ayan, now guys, palagpakan po natin si ma'am for participating. Na ma'am, thank you so much for participating. You can get back to your seat. Ayan. And guys, that's all for this morning. Sana po, nag-enjoy po tayo. Now, here in Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo, we have a mission. That is to protect, to preserve, and to conserve, and to educate these people about these lovely animals. The moment that you enter this facility, you are not just here to take some photos or videos with our animals. You are already helping us in our mission as well. A round of applause for yourself, guys. Now let's meet our voting trainers. Now, Kuya Poy the Snake, Kuya Jimmy Pinagaki, Kuya Richie Pinagaki Parrot, Kuya Dexter Pinagaki Nikay,